Hello friends. Today we'll be studying about exponents, and in exponents I'm solving few selected from problems from exercise 2b. So I'm starting with the fifth problem. And then in the fifth problem I have written down the question. I need to simplify this. Now x power something. So in this case I can multiply the powers. So I have to multiply a plus b and a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. In case you don't know the formula, in case you don't know this identity that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, very quickly you can multiply and find out. It's easy to remember, but just in case you are getting confused or you don't know, you can just multiply. A into a is a square, and then a into minus b is minus ab, b into a is ba, positive ba or positive ab, and then b into minus b is minus b square. This cancels. Negative ab, positive ab cancels. A square minus b square, a square minus b square. That's it. So now this can be reduced to x power a square minus b square. Exactly like that, this becomes x power b plus c into b minus c becomes b square minus c square, b square minus c square, and then x power c square minus a square. Then next step, x power something into x power something. So it's multiplication and x raised to something. I can add all these exponents. X power a square minus b square, this part I'm writing as it is, plus this, plus b square minus c square, plus this, plus c square minus a square. Now negative b square, positive b square cancels. Minus c square plus c square cancel. A square minus a square. Positive a square, negative a square. So everything cancels. So I'm left with x power 0, and this is equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So this is the solution. Next I'll be solving sixth one. In sixth one, I will solve subproblem 2. Subproblem 2. And the question is 256 into a power 16 divided by 81 b power 4. This is raised to power minus 3 by 4, and this is what I need to solve. Okay, now what happens is I can take this inside. It becomes 256 raised to minus 3 by 4, a power 16 into minus 3 by 4, 81 raised to minus 3 by 4, b power 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. This is what happens. Now this 4 and 16 get cancelled, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 256 power minus 3 by 4. I just have to figure out if I can write this 256 as something raised to the power of 4. Similarly, 81, if I can write it as something raised to the power of 4. Now I know that 256 is 16 into 16. 16 into 16 gives me 256, and 16 is 4 square into 4 square gives me 256. 4 square into 4 square is 4 power 4 equals 256. Similarly, 81, 9 into 9 gives me 81. What is 9? It is 3 square into 3 square equals 81. So 3 square into 3 square is 3 power 4 equals 81. So I'll be utilizing these two results. Now this can be written as 4 power 4 into a power 16 divided by 3 power 4 into b power 4 raised to minus 3 by 4. Now I'll bring this inside. Multiply this with this with this with this, and this with this. 4 power 4 into minus 3 by 4. A power 16 into minus 3 by 4 divided by 3 power 4 into minus 3 by 4. B power 4 into minus 3 by 4. You can cancel this and this. 4 ones are 4 twos are. This and this cancels. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Finish. Now this is equal to 4 power minus 3, and then a power 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Then sorry, 4 ones are 4 fours are. It's not 4 twos are 4 fours are 16. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, and then this becomes 3 power minus 3 and b power minus 3. Now what I will do here, I'll bring this down, and then I'll bring this down. When I bring this down, it becomes 4 cube, and this becomes a power 12. When I bring this up, it becomes 3 power 3 cube, and this becomes b cube. Now why I need to do this? It's just like, just want to express it as a positive power, that's all. So here I'll bring this down, 4 cube. I'll bring this down, a power 12. Bring this up, 3 cube. Bring this up, b cube. Now this is equal to 3 cube is 3 is 27, b cube divided by 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 into a power 12. This is the answer. We solve this. Next I will go with 7th problem. In 7th one I'll be solving sub problem 2. In 7th